romantic jeans, and other pranks made with love? Check them out in our new Valentine's Day special video. Valentine's Day, and Stevie made a present for his special lady. Guess which hand? Come on, Stevie. Dolly can totally see what kind of gift her boyfriend has for her. It's so cute, but it's not just a balloon. Look! There is something inside. Roll white polymer clay to make a thin rope. Cut it into little pieces. Shape each piece to make a larvae. Add details using an awl. Make rings and hollows on the larva's body. Define the head with a black marker. Bake the clay larvae in an oven, following the instructions on the clay package. Fill a heart-shaped balloon with pieces of foil and put in the clay larvae. Stevie pops the balloon and a rain of larvae falls on Dolly. Oh my god, that's disgusting! There's a larva right on her nose. Stevie, take this filthy thing off me. Dolly doesn't think it's funny. Well, Stevie, watch out. This is war. Dolly prepared a gift for her boyfriend. Stevie can't figure out why. Oh, of course! It's Valentine's Day! It's awesome! Smells the bologna and cheese in the bouquet, and at the same time, Dolly squeezes out ketchup. Here comes the sauce! Stevie's entire face is covered. That's what a real bologna war hero camouflage looks like. Stevie acts like he's not mad at his girlfriend, but meanwhile, he's planning a revenge prank. It's a